Good morning, students. Our today's topic in mathematics O levels is algebraic equations. So, the questions from this topic always come in the paper, particularly in paper number 1. So, these things are easy but important. As far as your paper is concerned, almost 3 to 5 marks questions are coming from here. So, we are going to solve different kinds of question in this lecture on the board. So, come now. Okay, here is the first type of the question in the lecture, that is algebraic equations. So the statement is solve. So remember one thing, whenever the statement is solve, actually you are required to find the value of the unknown variable involved. For example, in these questions, x variable is involved, so we are going to find the value of x. So in this question, this -7 will be shifted to right side, so it will become positive on the right side. So 7 plus 3 will be 10, and then 2 will go to the denominator, so 10 divided by 2 will be 5. So this is the answer. In this question, first the variables will be gathered. We have to make the variables on the same side. So 8x is here. This plus x will be subtracted and will come to the left hand side, and this -7 will be go to the right side, and plus 5 is still there. So 8x minus 4x will be 4x, and 7 plus 5 is 12. Now this 4 will go to the denominator of 12, and 12 divided by 4 will be 3. So this is the answer. Here is another question. Statement is the same, that is solve. First we will open the small bracket, and after that the capital one. So this 2 and capital bracket will remain same, because small bracket will be open first. So 2 is going to be multiplied inside, so 2x minus 8. This plus 3 will remain as it is. Plus bracket is there, 5 is there. So now solve it. So 2 into 2x minus 8 plus 3 will be minus 5. 5 is there. So multiply 2 inside the bracket now. It will be 4x minus 10 is equal to 5 now. From here, 4x will remain here, and this minus 10 will be shifted to right hand side. It will become 15. So x is equal to 15 by 4, because this is improper fraction. So we will divide the values. So 15 inside, 4 outside the bracket. 4 3s are 12. So 3 whole number 3 by 4 is the answer. Here is another type of the question in the lecture. The statement is find the unknown value. So x minus 2y is equal to z plus 3. This is our equation. And requirement is find y when x is equal to 4 and z is equal to 3. So method will be very simple. Put the values whose values are given in the equation. So x is 4. So 4 will be placed in place of x, because y is missing. Y is the requirement. So this will be written as it is. On the right hand side, z's value is given, that is 2, and plus 3 will remain as it is. Now solve it further. 4 minus 2z is equal to 2 plus 3 will be 5. 2z will be shifted to right hand side to make it positive, and 5 to left side. So 4 minus 5 will be minus 1, and 2 will come to the denominator. So minus 1 by 2 is the value of the z. Here is another type of the question. The sum of the 3 consecutive numbers is 93. Find the smallest number. This kind of question frequently come in the paper number 1. But in this kind of the question, you will be in a better position to handle when you know what are whole numbers, what are odd numbers, what are even numbers, what are prime numbers. So these things are very important for you. For example, you know these are whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and here -1, -2, -3, and up to so on. These are whole numbers. Like natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. Odd numbers are 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, up to so on. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, up to so on. So these are the things which you should learn to handle these kind of the questions. Now come to the question, the sum of the three consecutive numbers. So let, if one number is x, definitely like 1, 2, 3, 4 are consecutive numbers. If you look at the numbers, every next number is obtained by adding 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2, 2 plus 1 will be 3, 3 plus 1 will be 4, and up to so on. These are consecutive numbers. So if first number is x, the next consecutive number will be x plus 1, and the next one will be x plus 2. So 1, 1, 1 will be added. So like this, these will be consecutive numbers. So we have let these numbers. Now this statement is find the sum of the the sum of the three consecutive number is 93. So now sum them. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2. So if you look, I have added all these three numbers. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2, and the sum is 93. So this is the equation now. This will be solved now. So x plus x will be 3x, and plus 1 will up 2 will be plus 3. On right hand side we have 93. This 3 will be subtracted. So 90 will be there, and 3x x is still there. 3 will go to the denominator. So the answer will be 30. So x is 30. So x is the smallest value. So the smallest number is 30. Likewise, if it is given that the sum of the three consecutive even numbers is 210. Consecutive even numbers. So look now, here is now even number. Now the statement is the sum of the three consecutive even numbers is 210. Find the smallest number. So even numbers are these numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. So even numbers can be obtained by adding 2. So for example, 2 is there, plus 2 will make 4, further plus 2 will make 6, further plus 2 will make 8, and up to so on. So even numbers can be obtained by adding 2 in the previous number. So look now, again let, in the case if first number that is let is x, so next will be x plus 2. So we have added 2 to get the next number. Now add 2 in this number to get next number. So x plus 4 will be the next. So these are the consecutive even numbers, three consecutive numbers. Now the statement is their sum is 210. So now sum them. So x plus 2 plus x plus 4. And the sum will be 210 according to statement. Now solve it. X plus x will be 3x, plus 2 plus 4 will be plus 6, and 210 is as it is. 6 will be subtracted from 210, so the remainder will be 204, and here will be 3x. Now 3 will go to the denominator. So 3 6 are 18, 3 8s are 24. So x value is this. So this is the smallest number, smallest prime even number. So look now, the paper checker can change the statement. He may find the middle even number. So middle even number will be this. If x is 68, the middle number will be x plus 2. So 68 plus 2 will be 70, the middle even number. He may find the greatest even number in this case. So greatest even number is this in this case. So if x is 68, so 68 plus 4 will be 72, will be the greatest even number in this case. So this is the question. Here is another type of the question, that is three consecutive odd number sum is 243. So the statement is the sum of the three consecutive odd numbers is 243. Find the, okay, we have changed the value, change the statement now. Find the greatest number in this case now. Okay, odd numbers can also be obtained by adding 2. So look now, 1 plus 2 will be 3, 3 plus 2 will be 5, 5 plus 2 will be 7. So if x is the first odd number, then x plus 2 will be the next odd number, then x plus 4 will be the next odd number, and up to so on, because 3 consecutive odd numbers is the statement. So we have let 3 values. So now the sum is there in the statement. Now we are going to sum them. So x plus 2 plus x plus 4, and the sum is equal to 243. So solve it now. So x plus x will be 3x, plus 2 plus 4 will be plus 6, and 243 is still there. This 6 will be subtracted from 243. Answer will be 237. On the left side we will have 3x, and x will be will go to the denominator. So 237 over 3. So 3 sevens are 21, and 2 will be there. 3 nines are 27. So x is 79, because now this statement is find the greatest number. So greatest number is x plus 4. So x plus 4 will be equal to, x is 79 plus 4 will make 83. So this is the greatest odd number in this case.